Kabataan Party List, Anak Bayan, Makabayan Block. Oh yes, kana Makabayan Block ana sila. A big no to them. For nag-activist si he was very vocal with his connection. He was the Secretary General of Anak Bayan before. He was very active with rallies, and we just knew I just knew a few minutes ago nga front din ng mga party list, front lang na sila for the CPP MPA group. And they will deny that they are not part of NPA, but they are part of CPP. So there, you can just connect the dots, guys. Google is free. Pwede rin dyan mo mag-search, mag-fact check mo sa mga legit government websites to, you know. And we hope nga di na mo magpatuo sa ilahang mga propaganda kay actually wala good as in personal gain lang gid siya. And it's not helping. They are murag kanang ilahang kuan ang kaning sa mga oppressed, kaning sa mga luoy, mo ilang gamiton as bala nila para makagain sila of sympathy from others, makagain of vote, something like that. So please do not fall from those groups, and I hope you vote wisely. And make sure nga ang inyong party list nga butaran, gi-fact check ninyo, gi-research ninyo, gitaro maayo og ganang background ng mga nominees like that. Yes, that's it. Oh, Kabataan Party List, Anak Bayan, Makabayan Block. Oh yes, kana Makabayan Block na sila. A big no to them. No,